In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on ElevenLabs. Whether you're updating your contact information or simply switching to a new email provider, it's important to know how to keep your account details current. First, let's head over to the ElevenLabs website. Start by navigating to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the profile icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu with several account options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section because it gives you control over your personal details and preferences. Once you're in the settings, you should see your email address displayed. Now, it's important to note that if you initially signed up for ElevenLabs using Google or Apple, the option to change your email address directly through the ElevenLabs platform might not be available. This is due to the way these sign-in methods integrate with your account. Essentially, your email is linked through these third-party providers, so any changes would need to be made through them. However, if you signed up using an email and password directly through ElevenLabs, you should see an option to update your email address here. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to change it to your desired new email. Be sure to double-check that you've entered everything correctly before saving the changes. After you've updated your email, you might need to verify it. Check your new inbox for a confirmation message from ElevenLabs and follow any additional steps they provide. This verification step is crucial as it ensures that you have access to the email address and that it's functioning properly. It's always a good practice to periodically review your account settings for accuracy and security. Keeping your contact information up to date will ensure you don't miss any important communications from ElevenLabs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily update your email address on ElevenLabs. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team for help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.